Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to mine Bitcoin for free, so let's get started. Open link given in the description. There are two versions, one for mobile and one for PC. Download any version you like according to your device. I have already downloaded it. Open the setup and install Crypto tab browser. Open Crypto tab browser and click this icon. Wait few seconds. Now you are in Crypto tab dashboard. I have already mined some. You can start mining Bitcoins by clicking the max icon. Subscribe and leave a like so I can tell you how to withdraw it.